Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is sarcasm. It is pronounced sarcasm and spelt S-A-R-C-A-S-M. Think sar, ca, and then S-M. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Sarcasm refers to the use of irony to mock or show contempt, often in a humorous or witty way. It is when you say one thing but mean the opposite, usually to express disbelief or ridicule. For instance, you could say, "Oh, great job on forgetting your homework again," when somebody repeatedly doesn't bring their homework to school. Or, "Wow, you're a real genius for spilling your juice all over the floor," when someone makes a clumsy mistake. The word sarcasm has been used for centuries, dating back to ancient Greece, where sarcasm was used as jokes in literature and plays. In the animated TV series The Simpsons, the character Bart Simpson is well known for his sarcastic remarks and witty retorts. His use of sarcasm adds humor and depth to the show, making him a much-loved character among viewers. Synonyms for sarcasm include irony, mockery, satire, and derision. Antonyms for sarcasm are sincerity, earnestness, and seriousness. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, sarcasm. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.